O mga kababayan, natatandaan nyo pa ba itong mga taong mukhang may kagat-kagat na salbabida sa bunganga? Nagkiingay ito sa media dati mga kababayan tungkol sa paghihingi daw ng ID ni Kaufman mga kababayan sa mga biktima ng di umano'y EJK at kalaunan mga kababayan, hindi daw pinagbigyan ng ICC. Well, kung dati-rati mga kababayan, si PRRD lang ang biniktima ng kasinungalingan ito sina Conti. Ngayon mga kababayan, pati na ang abogado ni PRRD na si Kaufman. Nagkalat ng fake news si Conti mga kababayan na nireject daw ng ICC ang request ni Kaufman mga kababayan na humingi ng ID, partikular nga ang passport. Gayong wala naman palang nangyaring ganyan mga kababayan. Sinungaling daw itong si Conti. Nasabi pa ni Kaufman mga kababayan, isang rallyistang abogado ay nagkakalat ng kasinungalingan. Liar! Gaya ng pagsisinungaling nila mga kababayan sa pagbibintang ng mga di umano'y krimen ni PRRD. O ngayon mga kababayan, nakita na mismo ni Attorney Kaufman kung gaano sila kasinungaling. At nasabi niya mga kababayan liar. They are lying. Panoorin niyo po ha.
That's a big lie.
That's a big lie.
Attorney, how do you
Eto yun mga kababayan ha. Eto yun. Pakinggan nyo ha.
respond to the ICC judge's rejection of their proposal?
Nireject daw ha. Yan ang pinapakalat ni na Conti mga kababayan. Na-reject ang request na proposal na hinga ng passport ang mga mga kababayan daw, mga biktima. Wala palang ganun mga kababayan. Si Conti itong gumagawa-gawa ng propaganda, Diyos mio.
Do you believe it undermines the rights of the other?
Well, this whole thing about the judges rejecting my proposal, that never happened.
That never happened. That never happened. Conti, ikaw ang dapat kasuhan, animal ka. Pagmumukha mga kababayan, kung si Pinocchio mga kababayan, habang nagsisinungaling, tumataas ang ilong. Eto, tumataas ang nguso. Sinungaling. Napakasinungaling mga kababayan.
All that happened was that there were two activist victims representatives.
Two activist victim representative. Si Butuyan mga kababayan at si Conti.
By the names of Joel Butuyan.
Butuyan. Ay, nako.
And Christina Conti.
Christina Conti.
Who made all sorts of assertions in the press that I had asked.
Nagpuputak sa press mga kababayan, nagme-make ng assertion. Ibig sabihin, yung mga hula lang nila, haka-haka mga kababayan, pinuputak na sa media.
Press that I had asked to restrict victims' participation in the process by limiting
para daw ma-restrict yung participation daw mga kababayan ng mga biktima para hindi daw titistigo ayon doon kay na Conti mga kababayan.
The ID documents that could be used.
Ni-request daw ng ID ni Kaufman.
That never happened.
That never happened. Ay nako, ang dami pang pinagsasabi nitong sina Conti mga kababayan. Kung yung passport para lang yan sa mayaman, blah 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 blah. That never happened pala in the first place mga kababayan.
All I was doing was I was relying on what the Philippine social security system requires.
Ang gusto lang niya mga kababayan is ma-identify yung mga witnesses and yung mga victims based on the identification, on the proper identification na andito sa ating bansa. Sa kanila kasi mga kababayan, social security number. Wala tayo niyan dito Pero wala pong rejection mga kababayan na naganap.
For ID to be verified in the Philippines.
Verify lang.
What they don't tell you
ang hindi nila sinasabi
is
sa inyo.
They were not accepted at this present moment in time to be representatives of the victims.
Yun pala mga kababayan, nagpuputak itong sila Conti. Gayong hindi pala sila in-accept ng ICC mga kababayan bilang official na abogado, lawyer ng mga biktima doon sa ICC mismo.
Rather the MPCV, which is the unit which is dedicated to representing victims at the ICC. So this is not a question of the judges rejecting something that the defense asked for. This is a response that the defense made to the VPRS, which is the internal court unit which is responsible for assessing victims' applications.
So walang nangyayaring rejection mga kababayan ha? Just to make
sila pala yung ni-reject.
Gaya ng pinagkakalat kayo ni Conti mga kababayan. At nababalita na rin sa mainstream media.
That's all we did. We made observations. We didn't make a request which was rejected. That's a big
hindi daw sila humingi ng request that was rejected.
We didn't make a request which was rejected. That's a big lie.
That is a big lie. Conti, a liar.
So do you think the ICC sets
Napakasinungaling talaga.
requirements, particularly in highly politicized cases like this?
Once again, this whole issue of it being a dangerous precedent is not something that we created. It's something that's in the minds of Joel Butian and others.
Nasa isip lang daw yun nila Butuyan at ni Conti, mga kababayan. Mga gawa-gawang mga senaryong iyon. Grabe mga kababayan.
And lastly, Attorney, what is your message to the Filipino people closely watching the process unfold?
Respect the judicial process, respect the judges, and respect former President Duterte's right to...
In fairness, mga kababayan, behave na behave po yung mga taon dyan na nagpupunta. Hindi sila napaprotesta, mga kababayan. Nandun lang sila para magtipon-tipon, show support lang, pero zip ang kanilang bunganga, mga kababayan, in terms sa kaso. Hindi kagaya na konti, mga kababayan, na kung ano-anong pinagkakalat na mga propaganda.
Fair trial. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Attorney, can I ask another one? Sir, may we ask if you have already applied for PRRD's interim release?
Once again, I'm not going to comment on the chronology of that request. There will be a request for interim release in due course, but as I said many times before,
in due course pa, mga kababayan, wala pa sa ngayon.
Certain conditions have to be right for that interim release to take place.
Papahinugin pa daw, mga kababayan, in certain condition. Like what? Siguro mga kababayan, yung interim release after na siguro ng September. Ewan lang natin kung after o baka, mga kababayan, dahil nasa pre-trial phase pa ngayon, mga kababayan, nililikom pa ang mga ebidensya. Siguro after na nila ma-assess din lahat ng ebidensya, mga kababayan, siguro bago mag-pre-trial, nagfa-file na sila ng interim release.
And it's the judges who ultimately decided.
Ang judges ang mag-decide.
Our former president will be brought back to the Philippines before the confirmation of charges on September 23rd?
I certainly hope so. In fact, I can't understand why he is here. He's a Filipino citizen. There's a Filipino president in that country who threw a Filipino citizen over here.
Ang Filipino tinutukoy mo na nagpatapon kay Digong, si Bangag. Hindi sabi niya, mga kababayan, there's a Filipino citizen in that country, Pilipinas na, mga kababayan, who threw Filipino citizen here in ICC. Si BBM ang tinutukoy niya.
In fact, I can't understand why he is here. He's a Filipino citizen. There's a Filipino president in that country who threw a Filipino citizen over here to be tried. Why isn't he in the Philippines? Why isn't he being tried in the Philippines?
Correct.
Why is there not a Filipino judge who is trying him?
To think na ang kanilang binibintang crimes against humanity, and then 43 lang pala, mga kababayan, na individual ang kanilang binibintang. Hindi nga natin alam yan kung sino-sino ang mga iyan.
Exactly, sir, because that's the sentiment of a lot, if not most of the Filipinos, that he is illegally detained here and that our judicial system is fully functioning well. So
Kasasabi lang ni Kopman na wag nang i-touch yung mga totoo sa kaso, baka magalit ang judge.
I don't understand why the ICC actually took cognizance of what's happening right now.
Yes, I fully sympathize with that sentiment entirely. Thank you.
Napa-agree na lang.
Grabe, no? Grabe. Sila talaga yung nagpapakalat ng mga maling impormasyon. Alam mo yun, para lang magalit yung mga tao, para maniwala sa kanila. Wala na. Hindi na maniniwala yung mga tao sa inyo talaga. Kaya guys, anong masasabi nyo na yung mga tao talaga, no, nagbibigay ng mga maling ulat, hindi yung mga mainstream media, hindi tinatagas fake news. Pero yung mga tao, mga vlogger lang na against sa administrasyon, yung tinatagas fake news. Ewan ko na lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. God bless.